In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Tactiq on Zoom. So the first thing you're going to need is, of course, the Tactiq extension. You can get this on the Chrome Web Store. You can just basically add it to Chrome. It just takes a few clicks in a few seconds, and then you're going to have to sign in or create an account, and then you're good to go. Now, once you have this extension, you want to go inside your Zoom, and then you want to basically join or start a meeting. So I'm going to go ahead and start or host a meeting over here just to show you how this actually works. I'm going to start a meeting over here. So it's going to basically open up the meeting, and I'm going to show you how the side panel used for Tactiq actually works. So here, once you're inside the meeting, as you can see, it's still joining this very second. There we go. On the right hand side, in case you've never used it, you can see this is the Tactiq side panel for transcription. And I'm going to actually use a microphone over here, so I'm going to show you how this works. And as you can see, currently I am speaking, and over here on the right, the transcript is automatically getting generated. And it says that instant how to, so myself is currently saying this. But of course, if somebody else started speaking, it would display their name, and then it would say that they said whatever they said over here because the transcription is going on. If you want it to be paused, simply click on the pause button, or you can even mute yourself down here, which will basically stop yourself from being transcribed. Over here, you can see it says transcribing English, and you can change this. You can change to whatever language over here in the list if you want to. And then you can even take notes down here if you have to add any notes to your transcripts. Now, once this transcription is going on, as you can see, you can add reactions, etc. up here, and you can even share it. You can share the transcripts, the highlights, the chats, and more. You can open the transcript inside app.tactic.com. So on their official website, you can open it. If you do it directly, it's going to take a few seconds to actually update and process over here so we can see the entire transcription. Or you can just take a screenshot of the current page and basically, as I showed you already earlier, pause and resume your transcription going on, okay? So this is basically the main functionality. That's how to use it. And up here, you can even go to the transcript list on their website. You can delete this conversation, see the privacy info, set different settings. You can get help, and then you can even minimize this widget over here to the right. And then whenever you want to open it up again, click over here, and you are basically ready to start again. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.